Hello. Today we are going to see how we can combine some of our inner contours and profiles. For this, I will make a wardrobe and I'm going to use a tool with some patterns inside. Let's say this, and I will adjust the color for it. Okay. Now here I have this wardrobe. I will remove the handles because I want to combine with another profile like the embed handles. So this unit is 900 millimeters. I need a left one with this type of the door. Any color can be. Okay. Now, as you see here, I have this and I have this one. What I will do, I will turn on the 3D editing. I will select this and I will transfer the machining to this part. It asks, do you want to mirror it? No. So this is applied over here. Again, I will turn the door. Okay, to the right side. Then I will take another one, transfer the machining. Here I go. Of course, I will save it. So this one, I don't need it anymore. Now I will create a section out of it to adjust the patterns. Okay, how much is this one? 33 millimeters. Now here I want to adjust this. So what I can do is, because this is the start and the end point of my inner contour, I will not edit this one because I should make it twice. So I will just edit this part. 33, 33, and 33. Now I will move all 33 mm here. Just, yes, please update the section. So now this is what I have over here. I will continue editing these. So here again, it is my start point. I will edit this side. Otherwise, you should do it twice. On the next part, I will show that how it will be. This time, no. And okay, here. Okay, if I move this one, what will happen? 33, 33, and 33. See, this is not closed. So I have to do this again. It's quite easy, but it's a double work. So 33. Yeah, it's over. So you can see that we could apply this embed handle profile to a door that it didn't have. So like this, I could combine it. Just to make our drawing complete, I will clone this. Okay. Now I want to change what it is inside the second one. Let's say this will have this. Yeah, good. So as you can see, because I did the 3D editing on the fronts, nothing changed on the door. I will go for this. Yeah, let's complete our work. We will play also with this end panel a little. Just I should consider all the colors. Also correcting this. Okay. Now let's say I want to have two patterns here. I want to make it half and I want to duplicate it. Okay, so here we go. To calculate the dimensions, this is the part that I want. So how much shall I reduce? Now I will calculate it. Okay, 269. Okay, now I need to clone this. Here we go. So I can see this over here. Now I can copy my panel and put it on the other side. Oops, I did something wrong. If there is something that like in the cat commands that you want to know it, that what I'm using, please write it in the comments for me so I will tell you the full commands that we have been using in this one. So the only part is missing is a topic. So I will reply on that. Okay, here we go. So it's completely finished, and this was the tip for today. Enjoy your day. Thank you for watching.